Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're not doing nothing fancy today, okay? We're making a sandwich, okay? Y'all already know to get my cookbook. It's on Amazon. Get cooking and keep cooking. And without further ado, y'all, let's go. Let's get into this little sandwich.
I gotta say a word, keep giving me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you.
Alright, so we're gonna take this red bell pepper, and it's pretty, it's kind of beat up. So take this bell pepper. We just gonna roast it like this, y'all. I'm not even gonna do too much. We're gonna put a little oil on it. We're gonna put this in the oven just like that. I got it in there on a broiler, and I'm just gonna stand here and just watch it and make sure that it just roasts on the top, and then I'm gonna flip it over and do it on the other side. We just want a little bit of roast, okay? Because we're finna make that basil sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add some of these sun-dried tomatoes. We're just gonna put a few. I don't know how much, but we'll just put a few in there. That should be good enough. And we're gonna use some Parmesan cheese. I don't know how much, y'all. Just pour it enough. There we go. So we're gonna do a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of oregano. Onion powder. Turn the other side, open that up. There we go. A little garlic powder. And then just for a little spice, a little crushed red pepper, but y'all don't gotta do this part. Oh, I need some more of these. That's about gone, ain't it? A little basil. Some oil in here, and then we just gonna wait for that. We're gonna wait for that pepper to come out. We're gonna go in with a little bit of balsamic. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so we about to put some shaved Parmesan in here just because I want some more cheese. So yeah, that's what I'm putting in here. Okay. Good and roasted. Now we're gonna put it in a bag for about 10 minutes. Okay, so in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna cut this tomato. Just gonna make a couple slices. Y'all don't gotta use all of this, but I'm just cutting it. Put a little salt and pepper on here. And some lemon juice. Add a little oregano to it too. A little oil on here. Got a little lettuce that we cleaned. Okay, so we're gonna move this and come back, let that do what it do. This one. We're gonna open this up and take the seeds out. It's pretty hot. And peel off some of this. Oh, it smells good. So now we have all the seeds peeled out. Here. Okay. We could have put this in like a little squeeze bottle, but we just gonna spread some of this bottom like that. Turkey meat, but I like mine folded like this. You feel me? Add some salami. Y'all know how I be making my pickled onions. I'm about to put some of these in there. Only got a little bit left, so I'm gonna just use it. We'll add some pepper jack and some mozzarella. If I had provolone, I'll add some of that. Or slight. Oh, I do got provolone, but it's frozen. So we're just gonna do some mozzarella. We're gonna put this in the oven and let it toast for a second. All right, y'all. Left it in there a little longer than expected, but we're gonna add this lettuce, our marinated tomatoes. Okay, y'all can add mayo or Miracle Whip, whatever y'all prefer. Just gonna do a little dab on top right here. Feel me? Get that pesto. Get on there, smash it down. Ooh. Add us a little pickle too. I like skins. I'm gonna use some of these. I just cut it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. All right, y'all, this is how it came out. Y'all know that, y'all get the point, right? It started messing up. I tried to set it up for y'all, but y'all get the point. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to learn, what y'all want to see.
Hit that subscribe button!